Meaning of fundraiser.
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 Fundraiser. A fundraiser is an event or activity organized with the purpose of raising money for a particular cause or organization. These events can take various forms, such as benefit concerts, charity auctions, and crowdfunding campaigns. Fundraising activities are often carried out by non-profit organizations, political campaigns, and individuals seeking financial support for personal endeavors. The ultimate goal of a fundraiser is to generate sufficient funds to meet a specific fundraising target or financial objective. Successful fundraisers can help raise public awareness about a particular issue or cause and can lead to significant positive change in people's lives.